Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I haven't boxed any Hot Wheels monster trucks in a while, but I finally found a couple more brand new Hot Wheels monster trucks from 2020. This is the, I don't know if this is case F or case G. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments below. But anyway, the trucks in this case, there's 5 brand new ones. The ones in this case are Ratical Racer, One Bad Ghoul, without the color tread, so it's just like the standard version, or there might be other things new about it, but I mean like, I have the color treads version right now, but I'm probably gonna get the regular one because I think it looks a little bit better. Haul Y'all, which is the ride truck for the Hot Wheels series. The Red Invader from the Stealth Smashers, and then the Black and White Mega Wrex. Then the other 2 are repeats. Orange Hotweiler, that was a new truck last year. I already have it, so there's no need to pick it up again. And of course, a re-release from Case B, which is all fried up. So the trucks I got from this case, they only had 2. I got Ratical Racer and the Black and White Mega Wrex. So yeah, they did not have the other 3, which are One Bad Ghoul, Haul Y'all, and Invader. Hopefully I can find those soon. But for now, I just got these 2. So first, we are going to start with the Black and White Mega Wrex. Alright, there's the car. And let's get out the turntable. Here we have the Black and White Mega Wrex. This one's pretty cool. It's different. Yeah, I'm excited for it. So I have all the Black and White trucks that were currently released. Skeleton Crew, Bone Shaker, and 5 Alarm. And now the next Black and White truck that is yet to come out is the Ringmaster, which is going to be pretty cool. And that's in the next upcoming case, along with the Volkswagen Drag Bus monster truck. That's going to be really cool. Can't wait to get my hands on that as well. I've seen pictures of them on West Coast Toy Mafia, so they basically sell them there. But I don't know if I'm gonna buy any trucks from West Coast Toy Mafia. I might do that in the future, but probably not now. This is kind of interesting because it's like a 3D all over the body, and the tail is a rubber plastic, but it's actually a part of the casting now, so you cannot take it off anymore. So yeah, so it's got a matte feel to it. It's basically 3D textured. The teeth are matte painted. On the front are textured, and teeth on the side are matte painted. Yeah, this is really cool. I would say behind Skeleton Crew, this is probably my second favorite because I mean, the textured scales are like really detailed, and I love it. Yeah, so that's the new Mega Wrex, and I'll put the car together real quick, just as a little stand. Now we are going to take a look at Ratical Racer, and one thing I do want to point out, which I find weird about the stats, it is the same, here, if you can see it, it is the same exact stats as Invader, which is really weird. I'm like, but this is a Creatures truck. This is not a military truck at all. So I don't know why they gave it Invader stats. I wonder if that was a typo or something, or they were just lazy and couldn't come up with any stats for this truck. So I don't know, but yeah, this is Ratical Racer. 6 out of 10 of the animal attack category. This is obviously a Creatures themed truck because because it's a play on words, Ratical Racer instead of Radical Racer. So I guess this is like, I don't know, like a rat inspired truck or some kind of rodent. I don't know. So it's interesting, but let's unbox it and take a good look at it. All right, here's the crush car, and here is Ratical Racer. This is a really cool truck. I really like the big engine that's poking out of it and the exhaust pipes. If this were a real car, it would probably be using a V12 as its power source. So, yeah, this is basically a, oh, I get it, it's a rat rod with a rat body. That's why it's called Ratical Racer. It's supposed to be a rat rod. It's supposed to be a rodent version of a rat rod. That's what they were going for. That's really creative. I like that. And overall, it's a nice truck. So it's got green beadlocks with black rims. I don't know why, but this front grille here kind of reminds me of the Batmobile. I don't know if it's just me. Here is the side. You got the exhaust pipes, Hot Wheels logo, and some, like, I think that's sludge. You got some more sludgy stripes on the top, the Monster Trucks logo. Same thing on this side. Actually, no. It's a split paint job. It says 99 right here. And it also says 99 on the top. Yeah, very cool truck. I love it. Yeah. I'd say probably one of my favorites this year. Because, I really love all the new castings that they've come up with. Yeah, so... Yeah, so that was the black and white Mega Wrex, and the brand new casting for this year, Ratical Racer. These trucks will also make their debut in Sign Up Series 26, but they will be, but those who comment to be a surprise entrance will be able to get these. And another truck, another debuting truck that we have for the surprise entrances is this Mud Tread Zombie that I got. So basically, I was getting more monster dirt to get a even level dirt track, and it came with this bonus Mud Tread Zombie. So this will also make its appearance in the Sign Up series. So yeah, these three trucks that you see here are trucks that I'm going to give to those who comment to be a surprise entrance. So yeah, I don't think anyone else is going to sign up for the Sign Up series, but if they are, I will save these for surprise entrances. So yeah, these three are for surprise entrances only. So yeah. Alright guys, until next time, peace out.